Local news for Friday the 28th of September. Police are seeking witnesses to an assault on a 14-year-old boy in Church Street, Masterton on the night of Friday the 21st of September. At around 9:30pm, the boy was walking along Church Street alone when he was knocked to the ground and assaulted by a group of at least 3 people. Police would urgently like to speak to a member of the public who intervened and anyone else that may have any information. The annual Alzheimer's Memory Walk will take place tomorrow, beginning at 11am at the Farriers car park, before heading to the Solway Showgrounds for a late lunch, and a memory tree will also be present to celebrate loved ones walked for. Today is day 2 of the Kapahaka Festival. Schools from as far south as Featherston and as far north as Taranua College will take part in the 2-day event run by Wairarapa Rep, which features nearly 30 groups. And in sport, a big day tomorrow for the Wairarapa Bush under-18s as they play the curtain raiser and their final against the Wellington Centurions at 12:30. And the Heartland side kick off at 2:30 as underdogs against South Carolina.